Good day, everyone. I am back with another video. Today, meron tayong nabok na staycation together with the family, and we will be celebrating Father's Day sa place na yon. This place is called Valle La Frances. So it is located just in San Fernando, Pampanga. So if you're from Angeles City, it is just like a 16-minute drive from Meaning Road going there. And if from San Fernando ka naman, mas malapit if you will be taking the Baliti Road. So yun, I'll be showing you the amenities, kung okay ba siya, and gaano ba siya kalaki, kung mga ilang tao yung possible na pwedeng magstay doon, na comfortable kayo if you are planning to probably consider in booking this villa. So ayun, we'll be driving there soon. So yung check-in time kasi nila is 3 o'clock, but nag-message kami and napagbigyan tayo ng makapag-check-in ng mas maaga around 2:30 p.m. So yun, sa place namin going sa Valle La Frances, it's only like a 15-minute drive, so sobrang lapit lang, so super convenient sa end namin. And yun, I'll be showing you around pagdating namin doon, and para makita nyo yung mga amenities, ano yung pwedeng gamitin, kung meron ba ding wifi doon, or mga cookwares or barbecue station if ever man. So yun, I'll be updating you in a bit. See ya! Hello guys! So we just arrived here at Valle La Frances. So eto na, pakita ko na sa inyo agad itong sa outdoor area ng property. Here you go! Boogs! So it's a 2-story property. And yun, ito yung garage niya. So as you can see, kasya ang dalawang sasakyan. So isang pickup and isang Innova. And then dito sa side na to, may counter siya. And meron siyang barbecue station. So yun, kung ayaw niyong magkalat sa loob ng property and gusto niyo lang ng mag-prepare ng barbecue dito, pwede, as meron din siyang sink. Ayun, and then may mga bamboo na nakatanim dito sa property. Ayan siya. Okay. And as you can see here, meron ding balcony dito sa taas. And then from this side naman, ito yung pool area. Ayun, so meron siyang dalawang pool beds. And ito yung property, yung pool itself. Okay. So hindi lang natin sure kung gaano kalalim itong pool, pero try natin mamaya. Medyo mainit lang. But medyo shaded naman yung part ng pool, so I guess okay lang. So ayun siya, and then meron siyang shower dito sa right hand side. So if ayaw mong magbasa sa loob and gusto mo na lang dito mag-change, pwede din. Dito naman meron pa siyang place to hang out din. So ayan siya, merong couch dito, and then merong mga tables and chairs din if medyo marami kayo. Ayan, magagamit nyo sila. Lifetime tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lifetime tables. And mayroong mga monoblocks, chairs. So, ayan. Ang ganda lang ng property. Ito yung pool, ang haba din. So, saktong-sakto sa mga family events kung gusto nyo mag-overnight or mga reunion, team building, I would say, pwede din. So, ayan siya. Alright, ang ganda lang. And napansin ko dito, they are solar powered. So, walang patayan ng aircon dito. Alright. And pag medyo mainit, meron palang fan din. Okay. From here, dito sa side ng bahay, meron ding access going inside. So, kung kunwari galing ka sa loob and then nag-change ka na ng pang swim mo, pwede ka nang tumalon agad dito. So, ayan siya. Okay, guys. Pakita ko naman yung sa loob ng bahay.
Been pounding, but they can't reach the outside world. They try so hard but choke in the moment. Oh, will I ever know? Will I always be alone? Why can't I change my world? Oh, that kid I knew from far, watching his life burn. Look at the people smile. Why can't I? Why don't the tables turn? Every step, the earth begins to sunder. I'm sinking with the weight I'm carrying, and the sun bringing in the new day always lets me down. Oh, will I ever know? Will I always be alone? Why can't I change my world? Oh, that kid I knew from far, watching his life burn. Look at the people smile. Why can't I? Why don't the tables turn? Why don't the tables turn?
Hi guys. So, dito tayo sa first bedroom. Ito yung master's bedroom. So, meron siyang TV. And I think this is a king size bed. Then, meron siyang couch dito. Sorry medyo messy na yung place kasi ginulo na lang family ko. And this is the toilet. On lang natin yung ilaw. Ayan siya. Ayan, meron siyang sink. And check natin yung water pressure. As you can see, malakas naman siya. Meron tayong bidet with flush. And it's a rain shower with hot and cold. Alright. So, labas tayo ulit. Merong mga mattress na pwedeng gamitin. And from here, meron siyang balcony. Ayan siya. And, ayan, may tables dito. So, yun. Smart TV din to. And, ayan siya. So, dito naman tayo sa second bedroom. So, ito siya. Ang ganda lang. So, air conditioned din. And meron siyang full length mirror. And from here, meron siyang parang, I would say walk-in closet if ever. So ito, I think it's a queen bed. May upuan dito. And ayun siya. So dito sa second level, meron din silang common toilet, which is ito siya. Ayan. So check din natin yung water pressure if okay siya. Malakas yung water pressure. With flush and bidet. And rain shower din with hot and cold. Ayun siya. And this is the third room dito sa second level. So double deck siya. Ayun, I think ito parang double bed. And then dito sa taas is single. Then meron siyang siguro yung mga bags nyo pwede nyo i-store dito. And from here, dito nakalagay yung mga extra pillows and mattresses. Ayun. So, ayan. Ito yung mga rooms, bathroom dito sa second level. How are you? Kuya ka. Dude. Amber. I say. Amber. Hi. Are you having fun? Oh, really?
It's actually gonna look.
So, this is the night view at Valle La Frances. Swim tayo. Oh, not yet. Whoop.
Go, go, go! Go, stop! It's a challenge! There's a pin up to go. Right here! Right here! You can reach in here.
What? Oh, here. Let's go down.
Wait, where's the other one though? There? There? I can't find it! Wala lang ang nakakita.
Kasama dun. Kahit wala tayong nakikita. 2, 3. Swimming time tayo. Ang init ang tubig. Ewan ko lang kung mainit yung tubig or puno na lang ihi. Joke. going now. You hold it tight. Throw it now. No, don't throw it. Okay. Ate Amara's turn to swim and throw herself. Sakit. Si Kuya Kaya naman.
Layo tayo.
Alright. Alright. Inubo. Ayun guys, so ito yung view paggabi. Night swimming lang kami. So far we are all having fun dito sa Valera Frances. So if you wanna consider booking it, you can visit their Facebook page, Valera Frances, no? Ayun, we're just having fun at the moment. So mag-film na ako ng ilang shots dito lang sa pool, and then probably ikot ko kayo dito sa baba. Hindi lang ako makapunta dito sa loob ng bahay ngayon kasi medyo basa, and nagbi-video kasi sila, baka makapirate tayo. Kasi meron pang isang room dito sa baba, and I want to show that room as well. So merong room dito, meron din siyang bathroom, and then merong kitchen, and yung isa pang common bathroom. Right.
Never!
Kenny Koy!
Ikot tayo.
Tapos sa baba ng
Tayo
tubig.
nahilo. Tapos baba ng tubig.
Ay, nagre-relax.
Sigurado kayo?
Naghahangin sila.
Nagre-relax sa yan mo.
Ayan, naka-video na to.
What?
1, 2, 3.
Kailangan mo
Sa baba!
ilaw.
Eh, dito sa may ilaw. Ilaw. 1, 2, 3,
go!
Oh, I can hear you. 1, 2, 3. Bumangga na pala. Hello again guys. So yun, tapos na tayo mag-swim, mag-dinner, and nakaligo na tayo. So papakita ko lang sa inyo itong room dito sa baba. So eto siya, nasa loob na tayo. Sa pagpasok mo, meron siyang mini couch dyan. And sabitan ng clothes rack, ganun. And yan siya. And then eto yung bed. I think it's a queen size bed. And then meron siyang side table over here. And then from here, merong mga mattress na pwede mong gamitin. So ayan. Ayan siya. And then from here, dito naman yung toilet. So ayan siya, used na siya. Ginamit na kanina. So ayan, parang kamukha lang ng layout ng other bathrooms din. So yun, may bidet din dito. And sink. And a mirror. Ayun lang siya. And then, from here, meron din siyang window dito. Makikita natin yung pool and yung couch dito sa labas. Yan. Nakahilera na yung mga sinampay na pinagliguan nila. So, ayun. So, meron din siyang aircon. And yan. So, ito yung sa bedroom. Alright. Hello guys. So, dito naman tayo sa balcony ng isang bedroom. Ito siya. Ito yung view natin. So, dito yung mga sasakyan. And may view lang tayo ng pool. No? So, ayan lang siya. Another look of the property here at Valle La Frances. Ayan. Good morning everyone. So, another day na naman. So, eto na yung day na mag-check out na tayo. And so far we loved our stay here at Valle La Frances. So dito complete yung amenities. Sa kitchen meron siyang mga cookwares, meron siyang refrigerator, meron siyang water dispenser, free yung water. So may mga utensils din, knife, spoon, mga plates, mga coffee cups, glasses, and also kung gusto nyo rin like mag-work dito, meron din siyang wifi. So let me just give you an idea on the speed test of their internet connection, no? Eto, so check naman natin yung internet speed, no? Pumasok ulit ako sa bahay para makuha natin yung accurate speed. So, eto siya. Alright. Wow! So far, yung download speed niya is lampas ng 200 Mbps, nasa 221 Mbps, and yung upload speed niya is 118 Mbps. Woo! And siya, ha? So, if you wanna consider working from here while nag-staycation kayo, pwede siya. Hi again, everyone. So, nakapag-check out at nakauwi na tayo, no? So, it was a really fun experience sa Valle La Frances. So, just to give you a quick recap dun sa property. So, it has 4 bedrooms. So, meron sa isa sa baba. And then, yung sa babang room, meron siyang toilet and bath. And then meron ding isang common toilet dun sa baba. And then meron siyang kitchenwares na pwede nyo gamitin, microwave, meron siyang rice cooker, meron siyang fridge, merong TV na smart, and then meron siyang Bluetooth speaker na malaki, Samsung ata yung brand. And meron siyang JBL na mga microphones na pwede natin gamitin for video, okay, no? So mag-stream lang kayo ng mga karaoke music sa sa YouTube, and yun, pwede na kayong magkanta with your families, and kung team building man yan, yun, mag-enjoy kayo for sure. And then dun sa second level naman, meron siyang 3 bedrooms. Yung isa, yung master's bedroom, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Then meron siyang malaking balcony. And then yung second room naman, meron din siyang sariling balcony. And then yung third room, meron siyang isang double deck na bed. Double yung size ng bed sa baba, and then single yung sa taas. And then maraming extra mattresses na pwede nyong gamitin if marami kayo. And then meron din siyang common na toilet and bath sa taas. Then meron siyang swimming pool outdoor, and solar power pala yung property as I have mentioned. And yun, so yung air condition nila malakas, so malamig sa property. Kasya yung most probably 3 sasakyan kung malilit yung mga cars, pero yung gamit na sasakyan is medyo malaki, isang pickup at isang Innova. Then makapag-park din kayo ng mga extra motorcycles if ever sa loob. Then dun sa labas naman ng property, merong dedicated parking din if meron kayong mga ibang guest pa na darating. Malaki yung parking doon. Most probably kasya yung mga 10 sasakyan. So okay na okay siya. Ayun. So now yung tanong is, magkano ba magstay sa Valela Frances? So sa Valela Frances, meron tayong 2 rates. Yung first rate is yung weekday rate niya. Weekday rate is I think it's 15,000 pesos for weekday rate, and then yung weekend rate, yung rate namin, it's 16,000 pesos yung overnight, no? So yung check-in time niya is 3 p.m. pero as I mentioned, napagbigyan tayo na mag-check-in ng mas maaga, around 2:30 p.m. and yung check-out time niya is 11:30 a.m. the following day. Now, meron siyang 3,000 pesos na security deposit, and refundable naman yon after nyo mag-check out. So, make sure nyo lang na linisin natin yung property, yung mga kalat natin, lagay natin sa trash, ayusin lang natin yung bed. Courtesy naman dun sa host, no? So, yan. And then, na-refund naman siya as soon as na mag-check out kami. So, ayun, overall experience, it's a must if dito lang kayo sa Angeles City or San Fernando. Kung gusto niyo siyang i-consider, I would say yes, 10 out of 10 yung rate namin. Nag-enjoy yung family. I think around 20 kami. Komportable kaming nakatulog sa bahay and hindi seksikan, nag-enjoy kami. And yun, if ever na you wanna consider it, so I'll be putting their Facebook page dito na lang sa description, and yun, feel free to inquire, no? So again, this is not sponsored. I just wanna share my experience or our experience sa pagstay namin sa Valela Frances. So yun, if nakaabot kayo dito sa end ng video and nagustuhan nyo, please give us a thumbs up, and pakiliti na rin ng isang subscribe if ever na natuwa ka naman sa panonood ng video na to, no? And thank you very much for watching, and until then, so see you sa next nating adventure. Bye-bye!